Welcome back to a new episode of Car Curator, where we bring to you updates of your favorite sport and luxury cars. Subscribe and hit that bell to be the first to receive updates each time we upload new content. Concerning the most recent McLaren 720S insect that we experienced, it is a marginally less difficult proposition. As far as one might be concerned, it doesn't have bolt-on bumper connections and a gigantic back wing. The changes just incorporate the changed guard, with a serious cover highlighting side edges, side skirt connections, another front hood, and a ducktail-like methodology for the back end. Bear in mind, it's not the additional items that grabbed our attention, nor the wheels that we will dive into in a second. However, the vivacious variety, the lavender-like look is by all accounts a wrap and was applied to all body panels. A few dark accents add to the outlandish vehicle's upgraded nature, and zooming in through the front windscreen reveals that the interior is for the most part dark, with a dash of white on the seats and maybe on different parts. Discussing white, it was the shade of decision for the new wheels. The 5-torqued composites with purple brake calipers behind them came from Anarchy's portfolio, and they're known as the XR105. They are accessible in several sizes and various varieties, as well as different completions for more personalization, and they've been prepared for different vehicles other than the imagined McLaren 720S bug. Subsequently, they're not excessively select, and between us, we figure they may not be the most ideal decision for the said model. Be that as it may, they are most definitely not the worst choice either. The white amalgams fit the vehicle's general purple look by differentiating it and drawing out the vivacious variety considerably more than if they were dark, and by and large, this is an interesting detail. Each McLaren devotee and their grandma realizes left the creation line in 2023, with the 750S succeeding it. The last option is certainly not a fresh, out-of-the-box new machine, but rather a greater amount of a broad mid-cycle revive that works on several aspects, including the power and execution. The McLaren 720S bug has 568 pound-feet, 770 Nm of force, and 710 pull, 720 PS, 530 kW, very much like its fixed rooftop kin. Power comes from a V8 with a 4.0-litre removal and 2 turbos, matched with a 7-speed programmed transmission. The open-top Outlandish has a maximum velocity of 212 miles each hour, 341 kph, and does 0 to 62 mph, 100 kph, in 2.9 seconds. The quarter mile is managed in 10.4 seconds.